The camping site is really good. I really like it, and it has everything you need: the firing, the picnic table, electricity and water, which is very like convenience. But we also have a bathroom very near us. So cool. You can even take showers here. The bathrooms are really clean. That's great. It's called Changing Baby Station.
Like that, just get the chocolate ready. And then we gotta do the s'more. And then you get to eat the last big part. Can I roast it? Yeah. Ah! My marshmallow's gonna get set on fire.
You need to set it on fire a little bit.
Smoke.
Se quemó.
Boop. Nice.
Awesome.
And then you put the last graham cracker. And there is your s'more.
Yummy. Mmm.